I want everyone to know about TrueCar and its tactics. It makes people think they're actually getting a great price and a great deal, and they're actually not. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be going over TrueCar. And TrueCar, how it is a huge scam. Now, you're going to be blown away when I show you this. Now, this is the MSRP, okay? And we are looking at Smithtown of Kia, okay? This is the location of it. This is the car. It's an LX V6 all-wheel drive. This is the picture, okay? MSRP is $32,450. That's perfectly fine. So you're thinking, oh, I'm going to go into TrueCar. I'm going to get my price, and I'm going to get a great deal. So, and this says it expires on the 11th of June. That this price, the TrueCar price, is $31,202. Wow, I'm getting a substantial amount discount. Well, this is not bad. $31,000 and it's issued to me. I got the special code. Ooh, I'm getting this discount. However, ready for this, folks? If you go to the actual website of Smithtown Kia, all right, don't fall over now. This is Smithtown Kia. What's that look like to you? There's the $32,450, right? Discounts and rebates, $5,000 difference. The car, if you went to Kia directly, it's $27,448. Here's the identical car. Identical. This is it. This is the car. It is $5,000 more on TrueCar than it is on the actual dealer's website. Holy shit. So TrueCar is a huge scam. So this is the car. I mean, okay, we can go through. You can see there's all pictures. All the same pictures are here to a T. Identical photos. The resolution may be different. Obviously, the lower here and the higher here, but they're the same freaking car. No matter what you say, it's the same thing. Identical. This is highway robbery right here, folks. TrueCar is a huge scam. I couldn't believe it. We can go. I can go other cars too if you like. I don't have a problem with that. We can go as much as you like. Generation Kia. Okay, let's go check this out. All right, it says it's $30,050. So $32,450. It's the same price, okay? But but your true price, your TrueCar value price, ooh, don't you feel special? Is $30,502. So let's browse some vehicles here. Let's see, new. We want to go to Sorrento. We want to find that identical car, and this is a what, a 2018? Yeah, 2018 LX Kia. So let's find it in here. There it is. Look at that. There's the car. And look at that. It's $26,850. Internet price. Wait a minute. I'm on the internet here. Why is it so much more? That's crazy. What the hell, man? TrueCar is a scam. Absolute scam. Stay clear of TrueCar. I can't believe I uncovered this. Everybody needs to know this. This is terrible. People are thinking they're getting a great deal because, ooh, TrueCar is giving me the price that everybody gets. It's a bunch of crap. Absolutely crap. This is the price that everybody gets, not the other. This is cybercrime at its best. If you guys like this video, give me a big thumbs up. Spread the word. Become a patron. Support my channel. Do whatever you can. I love doing this stuff for you guys. You guys have a great day. Take care, and we'll see you next time.